Happy Monday. Happy December 18th. Let's get started. So at this point, you should have completed your do now. Today's agenda. You should write your objective. Right now, you're watching the agenda video. After you watch the agenda video, you're going to be doing page 219 and 220 in your workbooks. And so there's a video helping you do each one of those. So after you get done with this video, you'll watch the page 219 video, then you'll complete page 219, then you'll watch the 220 video, and then you will complete page 220. So, what is our objective for today? Today's objective, you are going to complete the craft and structure and author style sections in your workbook so that you can analyze how authors' words communicate details and tone. You will know you have it when you complete the charts on page 219 and 220. So, you will have a video for page 219. You will have a video for page 220. Now I need you as a group to go to slide 5 for the page 219 instructions.